This is the Commodore Amiga 2000 vintage computer system in fully working order. It includes the Amiga Commodore 2000 computer, the keyboard, the mouse, software Workbench version 1.3, which is the operating system, and 2 games. The monitor used here is not included with this listing. As you can see, it boots up great. Everything is in working order aside from some wear from age. The case is a little bit banged up. The keyboard could use a cleaning, but otherwise this is a great opportunity for you to own a piece of retro video game history.
We'll be right back.